Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got the TokQi M02 Gimbal recently and thought to do a proper unboxing plus first impression review for you people. So let's unbox it. So you get the M02 3-axis smartphone stabilizer, a detachable Bluetooth remote, a mini tripod stand, USB-C charging cable, a storage pouch and a user manual. The build of this gimbal feels nice and the gimbal is compact and seems travel friendly. I attached my phone, setup was easy and quick. The gimbal feels balanced and handling is comfortable because it's a foldable and light. It's ideal to carry around for vlogs, travel and daily shooting. The 3-axis stabilization works well. The footage is very smooth and the small handshakes were almost gone. It's a big difference compared to the handheld shooting, and it also supports multiple shooting modes, that is polo modes, lock mode and other amazing modes. The important reason to consider this particular gimbal is its lightweight body, easy to use, it is foldable, has got smooth stabilization, good for beginners and travel friendly. The only disappointment what I felt is if you have a heavy and very heavy phone, it may need to check the balance carefully. It doesn't support a very heavy phone. Overall, it's a budget-friendly product for smartphone videography, and if you want smoother video without investing too much, then this one is for you.